These wisps are lighter than cheesecake bites. And look at the size of those blueberries. They're huge. Hey, Frida. How are you today, Big Belle? I like how we're spicing up the crust. I know it's going to have great flavor. 11 sheets of graham crackers or 2 cups crushed. And hit it, girls. Ginger. Cloves. Cloves. She must still be sleeping. Cinnamonella. 3 tablespoons of brown sugar and half a cup of chopped pecans. And press Pulverize on your processor. Add in a 1/3 cup of melted butter. Run it a bit to let the butter soak all in. And place a tablespoon in the bottom of each cup. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes until they just start turning brown around the edges. Greetings, travelers. I am Zorblex, the gatekeeper assigned to this region. To pass, you must first answer my riddle. The 3 clues to solve the riddle are not in this place. Each one leads to the next. This ought to be fun. Hit us with it, Zorblex. Activate your gelatin by dissolving it in half a cup of water on low heat. This only takes like 5 minutes. Then let it cool while you do the rest. You want your cream cheese to be at room temperature. And the safest and fastest way to do it is to plunk them in warm water, and in 10 minutes, they're ready. Add in your yogurt. This is what makes this dessert a wisp and not a cheesecake bite. 10.6 to 11 ounces of blueberry yogurt, and the same for the lemon yogurt. You can use Greek yogurt or regular yogurt. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a teaspoon of lemon juice. Keep the rest of the lemon handy. Your first clue lies at Crystal Falls, beyond the Sleeping Mountains. Careful not to wake them up. Talk about a glow up. This place is straight out of a disco dream. Zorblex said the next clue would be here. But where? Beat this until it's nice and smooth. You really can't overbeat it, so take as long as you need to get out all the lumps. Then, on low speed, drizzle in the cool gelatin. If the gelatin hardened up, put it back on low heat for just a few minutes and it liquefies again. It's totally fine. Fold in a pint of blueberries. Our blueberries are huge. And because they're huge, our wisps are piled on high. And don't lollygag around about this part. The gelatin starts to firm up rather quickly. Then let them chill for at least 4 hours or overnight. Oh, and let me tell you, when you go to serve these, tell people they're wisps and offer a fork. They look like cupcakes, and our friends were surprised when they discovered the crust at the bottom. Some didn't know what to do.
To find what you see, step into the spray. The secret lies where rainbows play.
Step into the spray. Oh, sugar, this better not mess up my makeup. I think we have to trust it. You go first. Bungledorf loves
Somebody
whipped
say my
cream.
name. Is that the voices? It's the voices. It's the voices.
2 cups of heavy cream, 4 teaspoons or the rest of the lemon squeezed in, and 1 cup of powdered sugar. And whisk this to stiff peaks. This is stiff peaks. See how it stays on the spatula? Then pipe it on as high as you can. We got 2 inches. How about you? And garnish with more blueberries. Hey, not a drop on me. I'm dry as a bone on Thanksgiving. Okay. All right. Ah! What in the glittery heck are these little jumpers? They're like disco balls with legs. But maybe they're part of the puzzle. Look, the pedestal.